Hello guys, and welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love Chiddy Bankz reveals why he's always seen massaging Sylvia's feet. Ultimate Love reality TV star Chiddy Bankz finally gives answer to the popping question, why do you always massage Sylvia's feet? In an Instagram post, Chiddy Bankz wrote that he has been pushed, rightly of course, to reveal the reason he has always been captured severally on camera in the love pad massaging his ultimate girl, Sylvia Ude's feet. Someone asked me why I always massage my baby's feet, and here is my response, Chiddy Bankz began. He noted that he realized one of his girl's 3 love languages is physical touch, and he had to always make her feel touched by communicating with her through massage, even when no word is mentioned. I realized that one of our top 3 love languages is physical touch, and I had to make sure we always communicated even when there's no word, he wrote. He continued that Sylvia would always enjoy it, and that has also made him realize that sometimes a woman feels love when her partner knows her love languages, which doesn't at all times involve money. And did Sylvia, would they enjoy it? Of course, sometimes what a woman truly wants is just linked to how you know her love languages and not monetary. Love your woman right, and as you see her always, love your woman right and see her always happy as mine. Alright guys, how do you observe your partner's love language? Kindly tell us in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.